How to change region in Play Store. Hello everyone. In this video, we will see how to change region in Play Store. First, open the App Store on your phone. There is no direct option to change the region. To do this, open the Settings app. Now, tap on the Apple ID option at the top. There, tap Media and Purchases and then select View Account. After verifying with the Face ID, you will be directed to the account settings. Tap Country or Region and then choose your country or region to change. Follow any additional prompts to confirm the change and make sure to agree to the terms and conditions if required. It will automatically change on the Play Store or App Store. Thank you guys for watching this video. Hope you got some value. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel to get notified of new videos. See you in the next one.